Well, I was lining up. To try and capture Mercury. But, well, you know how things go. Chemtrail alert! By the looks of it. Well, maybe not. Hard to tell. Hey guys. Cool it. So, whilst I got you, let's fuck that out. I can't hold things that steady anymore. No, okay. Good, no chemtrail. Maybe we'll get to see Mercury after all at sunset. As you can see, that is just a regular old contrail in dry, cold air. I'll go back to where I first started filming it. Like a minute and a half, 2 minutes ago. Nothing. Dissipated. Zip. Joined the clouds like all moisture does. There. That's like 5 miles back in a gust. Although, I do have a little possibility of some Ragnarok weather. I don't know if I can pick that up. Non-seleucid clouds, that's what I'm getting at. Put it in the vernacular of the day. Oh yeah, there they are. Just see the little cunts starting to form, eh? Just like an ocean. Well, not unlike an ocean. Whether it's the sea surface or the seabed. The big difference, of course, being the change from one media to another is much more gradual in the gaseous plasma state. That looks pretty low, though. That's probably 75,000 feet, so we're just going to say gaseous and not plasma. Quite likely star water, or whatever was in that long duration filament snap. The dark, cool, dense matter at the 10-hour peaked at high seas. And there was just a bunch more filament eruptions today, which is Saturday, February the 9th. So probably about 20 UTC. Some more of those filaments on the Earth-facing side. The sun started to uncoil and snap off. We'll just call this a carry-on from yesterday's What the Fuck Are You Doing to learn from Near-Earth Object Asteroid 2012 DA14. other than feeding the public sheep shit and keeping all, which means you have to then keep all your data secret, and nobody learns a fucking thing. Yeah, the dangers are you don't know what it is, what it's made of, how tightly it's bound. Though you can make an educated guess on its density from the data you have so far. You need to directly interrogate these things. I would say use my metal detector, but we're still waiting for you to make good on the lunar comforter base on the south pole of the moon. What? Oh, not you, Bear. Yeah, I know it wasn't you. You never break my stuff. Unlike Cindy and Goodhart. Hey, Cindy? Yes. That's exactly what you get for not communicating. You assume things, then you assume the liability that goes with your actions. Which you would anyhow, because in this game it's 100% strict liability. But we all know that. Like say DA14 comes by tomorrow and just when it's going from coming to going, she splits apart. Well, yeah, now what's gonna happen, huh? No, as you learned with Lovejoy and what was the other one before that you blew up? They don't continue tracking the same path because there's a change in with the breakup of cohesion. There's all sorts of changes in the local ambience as well as acting upon it. Now you've got a dust cloud you're moving. You've got fresh surfaces exposed to the sun that can off-gas and act like a maneuvering thruster. We'll just use that term. The greatest danger is not from a little object like that coming and hitting New York, Miami, Maui, whatever. It's far greater that say it was high in cyanogen, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen cyanides, or something reactive like water taking out the ionosphere with a projected 10-year recovery. You don't fucking know. So don't say you do know, because that just tells everyone stand down, you know, like, what's your priority here? Continuance of species? Or Agenda 21 fantasies where you all kind of go into your bunkers and just let nature, even if you had to give it a hand, you know, kind of wipe us out. And what are you going to come back to? A nuclear chemical wasteland. First to go all your reactors, your chemical plants, polluting every fucking where. Oh, and now let's throw in them dams. You're going to grab a pick and shovel and fix them? Lieutenant Blabber laughed. What's a shovel? Well, just jump on that backhoe there and go do that. Okay, you guys got no fucking picture of reality. You kind of forget to turn your microscope on in between the macroscoping. No, that's the same thing. In between the big picture, you forget to look at the small details. You don't stand a chance without the slaves. Don't be so fucking stupid with your fantasies. Okay? You got some kind of guilt trip you can't escape and you want to manifest it in murder and homicide. Well, I guess as long as you take yourself out without causing harm to others meaning any other life, I guess if I can't stop you, I can't stop you. That's your right. But don't assume you have that right, authority, or freedom to decide that for all the other creatures. Oh, I know everything's about the money. You little paper gods. Nothing's about the money. That's where you lose it all. That's where you drift off into your fantasy lands. Be the dinosaurs if that's what you need, but you go it alone. Don't take anyone else with you. Okay, we'll just go back up there. There's the last shred of the contrail, as in condensation trail. Peace out. Bye-bye. Peace out. Yeah, well, I think that pretty well says it. Heads up.